Isang magandang araw na naman po sa lahat. Ang aking pong tatalakayin ay tungkol po sa binomial theorem o yung binomial expansion. Alam niyo po itong topic na to, napaka-importante sa mundo ng mathematics. Lahat po kasi ng topic, halos lahat, mayroon pong presensya nitong binomial theorem na to or expansion. Lahat po kasi na may kinalaman sa pagsisimplify ng equation. Pasok po lagi ito eh. Sige, simulan na po natin. Para po ma-expand po natin itong binomial na to, ang pamamaraan po rito, lalagyan lang po natin ang exponent o power. Simulan po natin sa 2. Ibig po sabihin, magsisimula po yan sa first term, no? Para makuha po natin first term, i-erase lang po natin yung x sa 2. Saan po nanggaling yung 2? Ito po yung exponent o yung power. Lagyan lang po natin ang parenthesis to the power of 2. Para makuha naman natin yung second term, ang gagawin natin, magsisimula po sa tinatawag na coefficient. Magbumula po rito sa 2. Kumbaga, lilipat lang po natin sa 2. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung x decreasing, yung y increasing. So, kung siya 2 dati, magiging 1 po siya. 1. Saka papasok kayo yung y. So, mangyayari po rito, again, mag-i-start po sa tinatawag na coefficient. Para makuha natin yung coefficient, i-multiply po natin itong 2 sa 1. 2 times 1. Lagay na lang po natin dito. 2 times 1 over yung exponent ng y na 1. Dadagdagan natin lagi ng 1. Mangyayari po ay 2 over 2 is equals to 1. So 1 yung coefficient, yung x decreasing, therefore magiging x to the 0, yung y is increasing from 1, magiging 2. Punta po natin dito. Mangyayari po ay is equivalent to x squared plus 2 times x times y is 2xy plus 1. Any number or variable raised to the 0 is equivalent to 1. So 1 ito. Matitira na lang ay y. Ito po yung x plus y to the power of 2. Ngayon, gamitin ulit natin itong gawin natin 3. X plus y, yung exponent niya gawin natin 3. Again, yung first term, kasi ito yung first term, second term, third term, x to the power of 3 plus 3, manggagaling dito sa exponent, yung coefficient, x squared, papasok ngayon yung y, 1. Para makuha natin yung coefficient ng third term, ang gagawin natin ay 3 times 2. Oops, dito na natin lagay 3 times 2 over yung exponent ng y na 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Therefore, 3, ang mangyari ay decreasing x, 1, y squared. Therefore, plus 3 times 1. So, times 2 Ito na natin lagay. Yung coefficient, 3 times 1. Tapos, yung over, yung y, 2 plus 1. Ang mangyari niyan ay 3 over 3 is equals to 1. So, 1 ito. 1. Therefore, 1 x to the 0. Mangyayari y increasing. Magiging y to the power of 3. Ito natin dito. Therefore, x plus y to the power of 3 is equals to x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3 x, y squared, plus y to the power of 3. Ito po yung final answer sa x, plus y to the power of 3. Halimbawa, gawin po natin to the power of 4. So, mas dadami siya. Yung po yung logic, no? X, kaya po siya tinawag na expansion. The more na marami the more na lumalaki yung exponent, the more na dumadami yung term. Ito yung first term, ito yung second term, ito yung third term, ito yung fourth term. Dito po sa dalawa na to, mapapansin natin, pagka ang exponent is 2, yung number of term tatlo, 1, 2, 3. Ibig sabihin, parating mas mataas sa exponent ng binomial. Tulad nito, yung exponent ng binomial ay 3. Pagbibilangin natin yung term, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 po yung number of term. That means kung ito po i-raise natin sa 4, x plus y to the positive 4 is equals to, automatic magiging 5 yung term. Simulan po natin. Mukhang kailangan ng calcio. Hawakan ko na para sigurado. X to the 4 plus 4. Manggaling dito. X to the power of 3. Y. Therefore, 4 times 3. Lagay natin dito. 4 times 3 over, this is 1. 1 plus 1. Dagdagan ng isa lagi. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6, x mag-decrease, y mag-increase. Ang kasunod ay 6 times 2 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. Mangyari niyan ay 4. 4x. Mangyari sa y, mag-increase, y cube. Plus, yung coefficient ay 4 times 1. 4 times 1 over 3 plus 1. Sabihin, 4 times 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, magiging 1. Therefore, 1 ito. X to the 0. Tataas yung exponent, magiging 4. Tuloy natin dito. X plus y. Oops. To the 4. To the power of 4 is equals to x to the 4th plus 4x to the power of 3 y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4x y cube plus y to the 4th. Ito po yung final answer natin. Gawin po natin to the power of 5. Kailangan natin burahin ito. Ito magiging 5. Expect magiging, kung 5 siya, magiging 6 term. Atin na para burahin na rin natin yan. Therefore, yung first term, x to the power of 5. Yung second term, ang mangyayari po ay 5x to the 4th y. Yung third term, sisimulan natin sa coefficient. 5 times 4, this is 10. 5 times 4 over, this is 1. 1 plus 1, ang mangyayari ay 20 divided 2 is 10. X cube y square plus 1, 2, third term, kunin natin yung fourth term. Simulan natin sa tinatawag na coefficient. 10 times 3, ito siya, over 2 plus 1. 30 divided 3 is again 10. Mag-decrease, x square. Mag-increase naman yung y. Y to the power of 3. Punta natin dito. Pang 5. Yung 10 times 2 is 10 times 2 over 3 plus 1. Yung 3 ay exponent ng y. 10 times 2 is 20 divide 4. Kasi 3 plus 1 eh. 20 divide 4. 5x to the 1. Kasi magdi-decrease. Y to the power of 4. Plus. Again, coefficient. We have to calculate 5 times 1 over 4 plus 1. Mangyari yan eh. 5 over 5 is 1. 1. X to the 0. Y to the 5. Tuloy po natin dito. Mangyari po ay x to the power of 5 plus 5x to the power of 4 y plus 10 x cubed y squared plus 10 x squared y cubed plus 5, oops, humili ko na. Kaya din ito 5x y to the 4th plus any number or variable raised to the 0 will be equal to 1. So, mangyari dito ay y to the 5th. X plus y to the power of 5. So, kung didinan po natin, dapat 6 term siya. Bilangin po natin. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Gawin po natin, taasan pa natin siya. Gawin po natin ha. Gawin po natin x plus y to the 7 para mas mataas siya. Abot kaya roon. X plus y to the 7. Ang mangyayari po yung first term, x to the 7 plus 7. Pag-decrease yung x, papasok yung y. Para makuha natin yung coefficient ng third term is 7 times 6 over yung exponent ng y plus 1. So, 7 times 6 divided by 2. 7 times 6, 21. X to the 5th y squared. Plus, again, yung coefficient po. 21 times 5 over 2 plus 1. 21 times 5. 105 divided by 3. Therefore, 35. Magdi-decrease yung x. Magiging x to the 4th. Mag-i-increase naman yung y. Y cubed. Plus, coefficient. Multiply natin yung 35 sa 4. 35 times 4 over 3 plus 1. 35 times 4. Oops. Divide 4. 35. X to the power. Oops. X cubed. Y to the 4th. So, mapapansin mo, from x to the power of 4, magiging x to the power of 3. From y to the power of 3, naging y to the power of 4. Ulit natin. Plus, coefficient, 35 times 3. 35 times 3 over 4 plus 1. 35 times 3 divide 5. 21. Bababa, x to the power of 2. Tatakas naman yung exponent ng y. Plus, para makuha yung coefficient, 21 times 2. 21 times 2 over 5 plus 1. 21 times 2 divided by 6. May 7 x to the power of 1 y to the power of 6 plus coefficient 7 times 1 over 6 plus 1. Malinaw, this is 1. Kasi 7 times 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore, 1 x to the power of 0. Kasi from 1 to maging 0. Y to the 7. Therefore, yung final answer natin ay x to the 7 plus 7x to the power of 6 y plus, oops, dito may plus dito 21 x to the 5th y squared plus 35 x to the 4th y cubed plus 35 x to the 4th plus 35 again x cubed y to the power of 4 plus 21 x squared y to the power of 5 plus 7x y to the power of 6 plus y to the power of 7. So this is our final answer. X plus y to the power of 7. Isa-isahin natin this is the tinatawag na first term. O ito yung tinatawag na r is equals to 1. Ayan yung position niya Ito naman yung r is equals to 2. Ang tinatawag naman dito ay r is equals to 3. Third term. Ito naman yung r is equals to 4. Ito naman yung r is equals to 5 or fifth term. Ito naman yung r is equals to 6. Nagkamali. Dapat 8 no? Ay, tama. R is equals to 6. This is the 7th term. R is equals to 7. And R is equals to 8 term. So, mahaba-haba. So, ang problema po rito, no? Okay, alam natin kaya kahit siguro 10, 11, 12. Pag ito, halimbawa, tumaas po ito ayun lang ang nakikita kong challenge dito. Halimbawa po, naging 52, o 60, o 70, o mataas pa. Pinahanap po kasi ito, first term, second term, third term. Pinahanap po yung tinatawag na, halimbawa is 30, o sabihin na natin, babaan natin ng konti Pinahanap yung 24th term. Ibig pong sabihin, pag mga ganito lang, na x to the, x plus y, ang exponent na is 7, 5, 4, 3, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay kaya Kaya kahit sa examination, pwedeng sagutan. Pero pagka umabot na, naging 52, 60, 70, 100, 150, ibig po sabihin, tapos papahanap kayo yung 24th term, 42 term, 54 term. Hindi po applicable na gamitin to. Hindi practical na gamitin to. Meron pong formula para doon hanapin yung value ng individual term. Mamaya po, papakita ko kung paano po hanapin pagka ganito na pong malataas. Kasi hindi po practical to na gamitin to sa ganitong pamaraan na mano-mano. Ang kailangan po rito, formula para halimbawa, x plus y to the 50. Hanapin yung 24th term. Hindi po practical na hanapin ito Meron po tayong formula na gagamitin para po dito sa individual term. Halimbawa, 24, 25, o mamaya po, explain ko po yung formula na yun. Thank you po. Salamat.